guys, we're back with another cooking vlog. We got our kids' cooking knife once again from TikTok. Shalana's going to cut up the broccoli. Can I show you how to cut them up?
Yeah.
Okay, so for broccoli, this is what I do. So y'all don't judge the way I cut broccoli. I don't really know how to cut broccoli. So cut it right here. So I guess it could be like split up, like right there. Look, you see that little part?
Yeah.
Yeah. Izzy is cutting our potatoes. Izzy's cutting up the potatoes. Good job. You got it, Izzy, or do you need help? Oh, you got it. Look at you. Okay. Shalana's cutting. Okay, good job. Keep going. Okay, stop.
Stop.
Izzy, pour the seasoning.
Bobby, how about parsley too?
Pour the whole thing. Oh, yeah, I can help mix it. Put it in. Good job. Ooh, that seasoning.
I got water.
That chicken looking good.
Yeah. It looks like this though. It's a big one.
This look good.
Eat that.
Looks seasoned.
Bobby, the balls?
No, it's a chicken. What?
I need that.
We is not eating oyster mountain oysters. We're not eating those.
Wow.
Yep.
Get your Now put down.
Y'all are doing so good. Wow. Well, y'all don't well, yeah, we'll cut it the way y'all think y'all can cut it. How about that?
Okay, I like cutting it.
Because that knife's not made to cut for everything, but I do let y'all help because y'all like cooking.
Push.
Yes, it looks burnt. It's not burnt. I promise you. That's just all the seasoning that's on the chicken. Ah, I burnt myself. We got the broccoli in there, and I'm going to put the potatoes in here. Okay, so it's all done. Let's have a little taste test. I'm trying to change up my diet because I've been going to the gym. Let's see. Let's try the broccoli first. Okay, I'm scared of the chicken. Got this off of TikTok. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Potatoes are just potatoes. But I'll try it. The kids did that.